Hi, I'm Jason, Sales Manager here at Roybird Transits. Today I'll do the sales walk round video for you for the Ford Tourneo Independence behind me. Rare one, this one. So it's the long wheelbase twin. It's 2 wheelchair positions, not just the one, 2 wheelchair positions. So for sale here at Roybird Transits, we've got a Ford Tourneo Custom Independence. L2H1, long wheelbase, low roof. Titanium series, so nice spec. October 18 on a 68 plate. Ex-Motability car. Lots of history. Fully maintained by Motability with the printout. We have just done a full service and cam belt, wet belt change as well. 27,110 miles for you. So excellent history. Lovely condition van. Looks well for you in the chrome blue. Got the half body kit on the extra wheel arches and the 17-inch alloys as well. Tailgate. Side door to both sides. 3 seats in the front. 1 additional seat in the rear alongside the 2 wheelchair positions. Soft start winch, Q-straint restraints set in the middle, so 1 wheelchair in the second row, an additional wheelchair behind in the third row, low floor cutout, ramp for easy entry as well, additional seat, lap and diagonal seat belt for you. Privacy glass on the inside with the lift up blinds, as you see. Heater and aircon in the roof for your passenger comfort in the rear. Ice Pack 23, so plug your smartphone in, use the apps off your phone through the van. Bluetooth as well. Aircon, heater, heated windscreen, heated electric folding mirrors. The driver and the outside passenger seat are both heated for you as well. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Interactive, so you've got your Bluetooth and your dashboard computer control this side. Cruise and volume this side. Auto headlights. Electric windows and mirrors. Push the mirror switch, mirrors fold in. Mirrors fold back out again. 27,110 on the miles. Just jump in, start it up. So all present and correct, no management lights. 6-speed manual for you. Single stage ramp, so pull the clip, ramp just comes down. And then you've got your restraints. 3rd row restraints, 2nd row restraints as we saw earlier, extra seat, privacy glass again, control for the soft start winch, controls for the floor restraints, lap and diagonal seat belts for the wheelchair occupants too. If you'd like any more details or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call at the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.